In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly create a powerful sales dashboard in Excel. Now, this isn't just about data entry. We're diving into how to enhance your spreadsheet with the help of AI, all while maintaining a clean and professional look. So let's get started. First, ensure you have a clean slate by opening a new workbook in Excel. It's essential to start with a blank canvas free of any clutter or pre-existing data, because this will allow you to build precisely what you need without distractions or errors. Once you're up and running in Excel, we turn to ChatGPT for a detailed dashboard plan. Simply suggest a step-by-step plan to build a sales dashboard in Excel with charts, slicers, and KPIs. This is where AI really shines, offering a structured approach that enables you to achieve your goals efficiently and effectively. With this step-by-step plan in hand, you'll have a clear roadmap for your dashboard development, which is crucial for staying organized as the project progresses. Now, onto the fun part. Generating formulas. Ask ChatGPT for assistance by using prompts such as, "Write an Excel formula to calculate monthly revenue growth." This formula can then be easily copied and pasted into your Excel sheet. This not only saves time but also ensures accuracy, as you're leveraging AI to minimize human error in complex calculations. With the core elements down, let's focus on layout refinement. Ask ChatGPT again for guidance, this time with something like, "How do I format an Excel dashboard to look clean and professional?" Formatting is critical. A visually appealing dashboard facilitates better data interpretation by stakeholders. It's about the balance of color, font, and spacing, which together create a dashboard that's not just functional, but also pleasing to the eye. To add another layer of sophistication, you can automate certain functions. Prompt ChatGPT for VBA code with a request like, "Write VBA code to auto-refresh all pivot tables when I open the file." Utilizing macros ensures that your data stays current without requiring manual updates each time the file is accessed, which is a huge time saver and enhances the reliability of your dashboard. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Export your dashboard either as an Excel file or PDF. If you're collaborating with a team, consider sending it via email or uploading it to SharePoint or Google Drive for easy access and collaboration. And there you have it. By combining the intuitive power of Excel with the cutting-edge capabilities of ChatGPT, you've created a sales dashboard that's both insightful and efficient. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time and explore new features as you become more comfortable with these tools. Thanks for watching, and happy dashboard building.